Changing your payout method on Checkly is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log in. Access your Checkly account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, find and click on the payout methods section. This will take you to the area where you can view and manage your current payout options. Step 4. Add or edit payout method. Here, you can either add a new payout method or edit an existing one. If adding a new method, fill in the required details such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save or update button at the bottom of the page to confirm your new payout method. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Checkly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.